Good day everyone. I will discuss the section 46 under the termination of parole and conditional pardon supervision. Section 46, transmittal of certificate of final release and discharge. So after the expiration of the maximum sentence of the client, or after he compile all the condition of his parole or pardon, the board will be issue a certificate of final release and discharge. So the section 46, which is the transmittal of the certificate, the board shall forward the certified true copy of the certificate of the final release and discharge first to the court who sentence and release the client. After, second, the board shall forward the certificate to the probation and parole officer, which has supervision of the client. And third, to the Bureau of Correction, which in charge in the prisons. Fourth, to the National Bureau of Investigation, the government agency in charge to investigate crime. And fifth, to the Philippine National Police. And the last, to the Office of the Presidents. Why it is important to forward the certificate to those agencies? It is important because it serves as official record that the individual has completed their sentence or program, and also to avoid confusion about the individual status, potentially leading to mistaken arrest or detention. So that's all for my reporting. Thank you.